हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन यूट्यूब चैनल योर ओन पाठशाला ज्योतिशाला। तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आशा करती हूँ आप सभी अच्छे ही होंगे और अपनी पढ़ाई जोर शोर से कर रहे होंगे। दिस वीडियो आई हैव मेड स्पेशली टू शेयर द ICSE रिजल्ट्स ऑफ 2025 ऑफ माई स्टूडेंट्स, एज आई promised that I will definitely share the results with my YouTube audience as well. And also this video is to thanks to the parents of the children who have appeared for the ICSE 2025, and the students were enrolled with me to appear for the batch. So the parents of Disha Agarwal, the parents of Roshni Khandelwal, and the parents of Shubham Kotak. So thank you, dear parents, that you have shown trust on me, and you find me worthy, as that I would be capable enough to prepare your children, to prepare your wards for the ICSE boards 2025. Finally, the results have been declared, and already the certificates have been received in hand, and all the three candidates, they performed really well, considerably well, more than their expectations, and overwhelming results, and we were overwhelmed with their performance and results, and it was unexpected. Like whatever we expected, they have done more than our expectations. Definitely their hard work paid off. So thank you once again that you have shown the parents and the candidates and the students, they have shown trust on me, and I have tried my best to fulfill their trust and to reach to the mark that they have thought of. Thank you once again for showing trust. I hope the same trust will continue for the ISC to 2027. Now they have been enrolled in ISC 2027. That is, they have been enrolled successfully in their own schools in the +2 sections. Of all the three students, one of them has taken arts, one of them has taken science, and one of them has taken the commerce field. I hope whatever they have chosen out of their interest and inclination, and I bless them, and I wish them all the very best for their coming future, and hope they will do all the more better and give you even more better results. This is what, and the trust that you have shown me will continue for the next coming years. This is what I wanted to speak. It's been long. I would have posted this video much earlier, but shortage of time, and somehow couldn't prepare the video to wish them luck, and the parents giving them thanks, showing them thanks, and a small celebration that we did yesterday. I would like to share with you. I'll add the clips along with my video, so that my YouTube audience will also love and like it. Yes friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel up till now, then what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like it, please like and share with your friends, and do let me know in the comment section as to what kind of videos you would like me to upload it for you. See you soon in the next video. Until then, of course, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. Bye bye.